Hello guys, and welcome back to TLR Creative Studio. And today guys, we are back again with another video where we'll be creating like a Vox map animation straight on Shotcut video editor. This is exactly what we'll be doing. So let's go straight to it. So the first thing that you have to do is just click Ctrl-I twice so that we can create two video tracks. Then you go straight to your map, double click on your map, you can hold it, then you put it on the video track number 1. From here you can just select it, go straight to filters, come here, just right position, you go straight to your position filter, then you go straight from there from 100, just click 200 so that you can make it a little bit bigger. You come here, you go straight to animation, then you just edit, just use that one, save, yes, then you can go back to your filters. So it will open like a classmate here so that it can be longer than this. So from here you just come straight from here, from your animation, from classmate, click there, go straight here, you can write classmate so that we can have an option to edit it. Go straight to open, then you select your animation line, open, then you can click edit. So on classmate, the first thing that you have to do just to come straight here, draw, is just select that, just select from the state straight to South Africa. Then I will just come straight to fill, I don't want anything of the fill, then I just select this. Then that's what we created. You can just zoom in just to make sure everything looks great. Then all you have to do, just try to select it until you can create the curve. Just make sure you select it. You have to select the line, the specific line, if you want to create a little bit of a curve. So we can just, I'm not sure, but we can put 10 to make it a little bit thicker. Then I'll come here, just select, make sure you come here just to select your map, then you can just arrange it, adjust it so that it can be exactly what you want it to be. On the right stand, you can just come here, click option, you can go straight to let's say show tangent. Come here, just do it like that, zoom out a little bit. You can also do the same thing this side. So what I like to do, I just like to have a little bit of a curved S shape, but you gotta be careful on how you want to do it. So this is not what this is not exactly what I want, so I want it to be a dotted lines. So I just come straight here, just write your dotted lines. So it will use like the same font of each, like that's 10. Just this is how like you do it. You just write minus, then you write space bar and minus always. Then after that you can just come here, select that, just make sure you go downwards to select your part again. Just click Control and select your part, so you can select both of them. Then you can go straight to your text, then say part on text. So it will just go straight from Washington DC straight to Cape Town. So you can just come here just to make it a little bit longer, to make sure like it goes straight to where you want it to be. Even in this side, you can just make it a little bit straight there. So now we have two things. So one thing that I've been trying to do is every time I try to move like the solid line that I send it straight to Shotcut, my line will be straight. So what I found out, you can just select this, you go straight to your stroke color, then you go come down, then you can just minus it so it won't be transparent. So the line is still there, but it won't be visible. So this is exactly what we wanted to create straight here, but it still seems like if it's still going straight to the edge, then you can make it a little bit longer, just like that. Then you can just click X, click save. So we are back right now on our Shotcut, and you can see it is automatically updated. So we go straight to your playlist and we start to do what's called animation. So I'll just come around here, I just click M to create a marker, click shift to make it go straight to the beginning, click control, go straight to your micro control until where you want it to be. So from here I want it to be done with the animation. So just click zoom in here so that I can focus exactly where I want this to be. So just make sure you're already on your animation, go straight to filters, come here, just search like the crop or filter rectangle, then it will be black. Don't mind about it, just make sure you just click on that transparent, then you can just come here. So before you come there, you have to come right here, then you can just click animation, then you go back. So I want it until this area. So from here you want it to be done with everything. So you can go back to your timeline. So let's just play it. Just click Control Shift Q to remove that box, that white box. Now we can start to add the marker. So just look here. Before you have to create a new video track. Take this, you put it straight there. You want it to be there. Then select there. So that is exactly what we can see. So this is very simple because you just come straight to filters, goes here, go straight to position, then you come here, then adjust downwards, just drop the size downwards around 25. It's still big. Let me go try 5. Just click Control Shift Q to remove that box so that you can see it. So you can see like when it starts, it just starts. We need to introduce our second pointer there. So another thing we can do, we can just do it. Come here, just make it like fade in just a little bit. Then let's just look at everything and on how it looks like. You can just click Shift Control Q to hide that box. Shift Control Q. Then another thing, from here you can just take from here, select everything there. Just select everything, click S, then you come right here, just make sure you're on a straight line, select this and you click S, then you delete, select everything here, you click Control C, come straight here, just make sure you're on the top because it will move from top to downwards, then you post it like that. Just make sure you're on the top, Control V, then when it comes here you just repeat the same animation. So the last thing that we have to do is to create a little bit of a zoom. Just you can come straight to your output, go straight to filters, then you can add like a position filter. So the position filter, what it will do, it will generally like act like a keyframe. We'll do like a keyframe. Maybe here we'll move by let's say around 120. You know, so we just have to drag this a little bit upwards, just like that. Then we can just come straight from the beginning to your keyframe, straight from the beginning. Then we want around this area, we want to be back on. Firstly, we want this to move that way a little bit. Then towards, I can just take this, put it that side a little bit. Then around there, I want it to be straight back on 100, where I want it to be. Then I can go straight to my timeline, click Control Shift Q to remove the box. We have a little bit of a downside there, so we just have to select this. Then we can just activate our grid, click Control Shift Q to bring back that thing. Just make sure this is in the middle. Then you click Shift Control Q to remove it. Then go straight to your timeline. Just make sure you're in the beginning. So you can take your time. I'm just doing like a rough draft of how to do those animation. So the last thing that we have to do, click Control I. Then we'll add a little bit of a filter. We can just add a little bit of a dust. You can just add a filter where like we will just zoom this out go straight to position. I'll zoom this by 200. So that you come here, just search blend mode. Go straight to screen. Then you go straight from here, you go straight to opacity. That's another thing like I like to use. Just bring it a little bit downwards. Let's just move this one upward. So another thing that I like to do, my animation, I just come straight here. I don't like it to be super bright, so I go straight here, then I add a little bit of an opacity, then I just drop it down a little bit. I don't want to make it that I don't want to be super bright. Then you can just copy it. You can just copy the current selected one, then you can paste it over and over again. Thank you so much, guys. I will see you on the next one.